Alright, family. Today we're gonna do something actually very simple. So this is my Tesla Model 3. As you can see, it has a warning or like an error that talk about the condition detected with the vehicle controller schedule service to replace low voltage battery. Now what that low voltage battery is essentially the 12-volt battery. It say electrical system backup powers unavailable. So basically, when you see a warning like this, that typically means the 12-volt low voltage battery needs to be replaced. And today I'm going to show you how to do it. And it's supposed to be a very simple thing to do, but because this is actually an EV, electric car, so you do know that the 12-volt battery connect to the high 5,000 volt battery, and if you're not doing it correctly, you can potentially get electrocuted and die. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's very simple if you have common sense. I went to Tesla service center to pick up this battery right here. It's a new Tesla 12-volt battery. You can buy this at pretty much any Tesla service center. I believe it's actually $100 plus tax is like 108 or something, so it's pretty cheap. They didn't even ask for the core. So yeah, so you don't, after you remove your old one, you don't really have to return it back, or you can return it, but they're not gonna give you any money back. Basically they just help you dispose it for free. So the tool you need for this job is actually very simple. All you need is just a 10mm socket wrench and your left hand and your right hand and your brain, a little bit of common sense. Okay, so like I say, the 12-volt battery does connect to the 5,000 high voltage battery. If you don't disconnect that as a first step, that thing can basically kill you, maybe. So yeah, you don't want to get electrocuted and die. Okay, first thing first, if your car is actually charging, I would suggest you actually disconnect it. Okay, because it's an EV, last thing you want is you don't want to have anything connect to it charging it. So you want to basically disconnect all the power source as much as possible. So next thing to do is to open all the door. You're gonna need access to it. Keep all the door open, and then you come over here, click on this, go to safety, scroll all the way up, and you see that power off button. Click on that, confirm, bam, power is off. Okay, so this next step is actually very important. Like I say, if you don't do this step, disconnect the 12-volt battery connection to the 5,000 high voltage battery, it could potentially kill you if you don't do it right. Okay, so first thing to do is you pull up the seat a little bit, pop it over there, pull out, there you go. Now that's this piece here, take it out, and then let me see this connected right here, pop it down, pull it out, set it to the side. This is the high voltage battery. Alright, I'll leave it right there. This step is very important. Next will be here. To remove this is very straightforward. Just basically just pop out. Next will be this piece. There you go. Next will be to remove the battery tie down. Just the 10mm right here. Okay, take this one out. Here you can push this to the back and lift this thing out. That's it. Next, make sure you remove the negative first. Do not touch the positive, okay? There you go. I would suggest to cover it so it's not touching it while you remove the positive. Yeah, just like that. Push it to the side. Next is the positive. Same thing. Remove it. Do not touch any negative. Take it out. I'm just gonna use my glove and then set it to the side. Make sure it's not touching anything. And here, this, take it out, push it to the side. That's for the venting. And that's it. At this point, you should be able to lift the battery out. And then put the new one back in, like so. Okay, and I would suggest to do the tie down first. Push it to the side. That's it. Should be like this. Get this thing in. This back in. The reason is I don't want during the process of installing the tie down and not accidentally touch, you know, any metal to the positive terminal. That's not gonna be good. Alright, I think that's good enough. It's nice and secure. Next, put the positive back in first. Okay? Again, do not touch anything other than the positive itself. Okay? Nice and secure. Pop the cap back in. Alright. And when you install this, try to make it as quick as possible so it doesn't spark too much. Okay, there you go. You should hear some sort of click. Things start to energize. Okay, and then plug the this tube back in. That's for the gas venting, and that should be it. Put everything back. Now, don't forget to come here and install this back in. Let's see. Alright, right here, pull this out. This connector right here. Let me see. Pop it back in. Press it down, make sure it's good. You should hear that click. This one. And alright. All is good. Close this. Close this. Close this. And let's see. At this point, what we will do, let's give it a reboot real quick. So how you reboot is by press the gas pedal, hold it, and hold these two buttons. And I would say typically about 30 to 45 seconds. It's a long wait. We're gonna speed it up. Okay. Tesla logo is back up. That means fully reboot. And that's it. It's gone. All right. Woohoo! All right. That's it. It's pretty easy fix, but like I say, if you don't do it right, it can kill you. Just want to make sure that you disconnect the high voltage battery connection, and you should be good to go. Yeah, this whole repair takes about, I would say, 10 to 15 minutes the most. Okay? All right. Go fix your stuff.